Transferring cryptocurrency from Binance to a hard wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions and wallet management. To begin with, it is essential to understand the importance of hard wallets in securing your cryptocurrency assets. Hard wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them more secure than online wallets. First, you need to set up your hard wallet by following the manufacturer's instructions. This typically involves installing software on your computer and setting up a PIN or password to protect your wallet. Once your hard wallet is set up, you need to obtain the wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. To do this, open your hard wallet software and navigate to the Receive or Deposit section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on the Receive or Generate Address button. This will display a unique wallet address that you can use to receive cryptocurrency. Next, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Withdraw section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and enter the wallet address you generated in the previous step. Make sure to double-check the address to ensure it is correct, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You also need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and select the network fee. The network fee is a small amount of cryptocurrency that is paid to the miners who verify transactions on the blockchain. Once you have entered all the required information, click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. It may take some time for the transaction to be processed and confirmed on the blockchain. You can track the status of your transaction by clicking on the Transaction History section in your Binance account or by using a blockchain explorer. Once the transaction is confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be transferred to your hard wallet and you can verify the balance by checking your hard wallet software. It is essential to follow best practices when transferring cryptocurrency to ensure the security of your assets. Always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account and hard wallet. Additionally, make sure to keep your hard wallet and computer software up to date to protect against any potential security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from Binance to a hard wallet is a simple process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions and wallet management. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can securely transfer your cryptocurrency assets to a hard wallet and protect them from potential security threats.